Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn on your Microsoft Copilot in Excel so that you can use AI to analyze your data, write the formulas and summarize the tables directly in your spreadsheet. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to check your Microsoft 365 plan. Copilot is only available with the Microsoft 365 Copilot or Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Enterprise plan that includes the AI features. So make sure that you signed into your work or school account. Personal Microsoft accounts won't have access to it, and you must also be use Excel for web or the latest Excel desktop application from Microsoft 365. Now once you see that your plan includes the Copilot version in it, you need to simply launch your Excel application in your mobile. Over here you need to look at the top right hand corner of the screen. Currently in my Excel account I have the GPT option, but instead of GPT you will see Copilot icon over here. So once you see that, you need to simply click on that, and with the help of Copilot panel you will be able to basically summarize the table or create a chart based on your data, or you will be able to generate a formula to calculate the average monthly sales. Copilot will instantly respond with smart suggestions inside your worksheet. Now, if you don't see the Copilot option over here, you need to make sure that you are using the supported Microsoft 365 plan, or you can also try to update your Excel application to the latest version. You can also try opening your Excel via Microsoft 365 online in your web browser. For that, once you come on microsoft365.com, you need to click on the sign in option, and then you need to access Microsoft Excel from your web browser. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.